Chapter 2. Helium, the noble light. In the vast expanse of the elemental kingdom, young Ada's next encounter was with the illustrious Sir Helios, the embodiment of the element helium, in a realm where the sky danced with the silvery gleam of grand balloons. Sir Helios, akin to the noble gas helium, held an air of grandeur, with his character as light and unbound as the element itself. Helium, the second element in the periodic table, carries an atomic number of 2, signifying its duo of protons and electrons, the knights of its atomic realm. Its atomic mass rests at a delicate 4.262 U, and it proudly bears the symbol He. Renowned for its reluctance to engage with other elements, helium floats above in a solitary grandeur, much like Sir Helios in his floating castle. On this day of jubilation, the kingdom was aglow, celebrating Sir Helios and his 2 steadfast knights, each adorned with a pair of luminous helmets that shone with an intensity that mirrored helium's low density. These knights were a perfect metaphor for helium's duo of electrons, forever in orbit, forever guarding their liege. Sir Helios, in his extravagant garb, was a figure of lightness, his cloak defying gravity, billowing behind him as if it were made of the gas itself. His crown was a marvel, featuring 2 grand feathers that represented the 2 protons in helium's nucleus, and his scepter was topped with a radiant orb that seemed to defy the very pull of the earth. For the grand celebration, Sir Helios had ordered the crafting of massive balloons, each emblazoned with his crest and filled with the lightness of helium. As they were released into the azure sky, the people marveled at their grandeur, floating effortlessly, a tribute to their lord's lofty nature. With the festivities at their zenith, Sir Helios, with his twin knights by his side, ascended into the heavens aboard the largest balloon. Their ascent was serene, embodying the essence of helium's escape velocity, leaving behind the heavier air of the earth. Ada, witnessing the spectacle, felt a sense of enlightenment. The twin feathers, the glowing helmets, and the ethereal ascent of Sir Helios's balloon imprinted upon her the characteristics of helium. It was an element of 2s, a noble gas that stood above others in the periodic court. This memory, light and vivid, floated within her mind's eye, ready to be recalled as she ventured forth in her Odyssey of elements.